Last night, we received a message from some of the residents that there was 6 inches to a foot of water in their homes, and it was rising from the sewer drain. Imagine if your child, or if you woke up, found exposed sewer water in the bottom of your home. Unfortunately, this is the condition that folks that are surviving in refugee-like conditions are living in. OBAT Helpers is on a mission to break the poverty cycle by transforming their lives from surviving in these conditions to thriving as communities. And one of those projects, one of those programs, one of those areas that we focus on is infrastructure development, because if we can help improve the infrastructure of the environment and the living conditions that they live in, then it will help accelerate future generations living out of poverty. And so while the flooding continues in Bangladesh, today we ask you to help join and become an OBAT helper and give, so we can continue on our infrastructure development programs, so that these families can wake up in the morning in a dry home, in a home that is not filled with filth from sewer drainage. Join us in breaking the poverty cycle. We need your help. Donate today.